Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Mithali Sharma and I'm the Director for Risk, Compliance and Information Security at SDG Corporation. I've been in the industry for almost 2 decades and the journey in the industry has been really adventurous and a learning experience. I started my journey as a programmer in 2002 and from there on I moved to a role of a project manager, and then from there I got the opportunity within the organization and got promoted to the role of a risk leader. This role definitely required me to move out of my comfort zone and focus on studying more. I kept working diligently and got promoted to director risk compliance, and here I lead the corporate governance function as well as the risk and compliance practice, or the GRC function, for the organization. During this entire journey, it was important to stay hungry for knowledge. I personally keep reading a lot. What is available on the internet. I subscribe to good tech journals, magazines, and this helps me be updated with the latest technology. Even participation in various summits and even participation in various panel discussions makes you learn and unlearn with what people are doing in the industry. Also during this journey, I completed a number of certifications such as ISO 27001 lead auditor, C-Risk from ISACA, ISO 16949, ISO 31000, CMMC level 3, to name a few. Apart from this, I also recently completed my doctorate in management studies with specialization in information technology. So I really feel that learning is a continuous process and we should always stay foolish to learn from wherever and whichever sources possible. Yes, during the journey there were a lot of struggles, and the main struggle that I also faced was balancing between the family and the professional life. There were times when I had to make tough decisions on choosing between family priorities versus the professional commitments. At times I had to leave my daughter in my hometown and move to other cities for work. But I really wanted to make a difference and wanted to make sure that I advance in my career and I follow my dreams and my aspirations. And so I kept doing my honest efforts. Initially it required a lot of perseverance, passion, and spending a lot of time to gain knowledge as well as self-study, balancing between the family and your professional life. There were times when I had to ask for support, and that's one thing that we should really do, ask for support. And my family has been really supportive. That's where a lot of change happens. If you feel that you really want to make that change. So it is easy said than done, but then if you really want to make some changes in your life and you want to achieve something, you can do it if you have the willpower to do that, and if you have the perseverance to go ahead and do that. I really feel that there is nothing which is impossible, because impossible itself says I am possible. What you need to do is really believe in yourself and make sure that you stay hungry, stay foolish, and in doing so, whenever you have got success, you should stay humble. Thank you so much.